Hey, what's up, guys? So, on 26th of April, I started doing this 300 a day push up challenge for the next 30 days. Well, today is 25th of May, the 30th day of my push up challenge. And if you're wondering why am I doing this, there's this YouTube channel called TMF, which is hosted by Jose Zuniga, and he did this challenge, posted a video about it on 22nd of April. I saw his transformation and I was like, man, I gotta do this. I need this. And here I am today, 30th day. Gonna start with the push-ups, but before that, I like to drink a cup of black coffee. This is kind of like my pre-workout drink, and I'll see you in the time lapse doing those three.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
Alright guys, done with 155 push-ups and 145 more to go, and I might do more than 300. And here's the thing, on 23rd of May I did 501 push-ups. It's getting kind of addictive. So, and I'm drinking some whey protein right now. This contains 30 grams of protein. I'm gonna drink half of it right now and rest half after the workout gets over. So let's continue with push-ups.
I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gon' get it,
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. Off topic, grind.
So guys, 1 hour up. It's 5:43. Yeah, and I have done those 300 push-ups. But here's the thing, I didn't record 60 push-ups. Those 60 push-ups were 30 military push-ups and 35 decline wide grip push-ups. I did those after my break. Actually, I just drank a little bit of it, and so I'm gonna make up for those 65 push-ups. Yeah, I'm gonna do them. So it's gonna be 360 push-ups. Yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna take a break for a couple of minutes. Yeah, 60 more push-ups to go.
I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, better back, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack, don't react, no react. Think I'm black, up his ass, while I rap, bounce a step, throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man, got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'ma rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get to nod that I'm right, yeah.
Alright, done with those 300 push-ups and 65 off camera push-ups. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break for 10 minutes. I'll see if I can do more push-ups or not, or else I'll show you guys the results.
Yeah, I've been in and out the studio like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows, how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose, run, roll.
Alright guys, done with 380 push-ups. It is 6:16 right now. And first of all, I really want to thank Jose Zuniga from TMF. His video gave me inspiration to do this 30 days push-up challenge, and it has been difficult, but I did it with proper discipline. And yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys the results now. I was taking pictures of my transformation. There's gonna be a slideshow comparison 30 days ago how it was. You're gonna see the whole slideshow at the end of this video, but right now I'm gonna show you. Now if you see my chest, all right, this used to be flat as they come for skinny guys, can't be more flat. That's how they used to be 30 days ago. Yeah, and ain't that flat anymore, I guess. Still got the abs and my tricep. I can easily say there's a 20 to 30% increase in mass when it comes to the triceps. My biceps, yeah, still punctured. I have barely worked out on my bicep these 30 days. When it comes to my back, you can see my back also has got a pretty good transformation. And I also gained 5 pounds during this whole time. I used to drink 1,000-calorie protein shake every morning. That would be my breakfast. If you guys want, I can make a video on that one too. 1,000-calorie protein shake, and I was able to consume over 100 grams of protein every day, 5 days a week, over 100 grams of protein. And I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat, egg whites, I don't eat all that stuff. So it has been a bit difficult for me to eat protein, but still I managed to eat over 100 grams of protein every day. Now I'm gonna say like, share, subscribe and all that stuff, but you guys must be thinking, why subscribe? Well, I'm not trying to there are gonna be more videos about fitness. I'm gonna show you guys my whole journey. By the end of this quarantine period, I really want to transform myself, my physique, fill up those sleeves. Yeah. And why subscribe? Well, of course, I'm not trying to teach you guys anything. I'm a noob, I'm a beginner when it comes to fitness. Yeah. And there are tons of great YouTube channels. Like I personally watch Athleanets, and I really want you guys to subscribe, because you see those guys have been training for years and years and they are all ripped right now. I'm a beginner. I want you guys to see my progress, my journey, my fitness journey. It would be really cool. And you can if you guys might find my videos informative, right? It might inspire you, because I think I've been pretty disciplined during this whole push-up challenge. So it might help some of you skinny bros out there too. So I really want you guys to subscribe. If you can, please do subscribe. All right. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna make videos about my meal plan, my workouts, what kind of workout plans I follow. I'm gonna do 100 push-ups. Still, I'm gonna do 100 push-ups every day as a warm-up. Wide grip push-ups and military push-ups. 50 wide grip, 50 military push-ups. Yeah, and then proceed with my workout. Actually, I haven't been able to focus on my legs, so I'm gonna next 1 month I'm gonna work out on my legs at least twice a week, and try to transform my legs too by the end of 3-4 months. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Status, facing the madness, I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions, I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses, I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking ask bitch, I just fucking grab it, I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to have it, so I will go capture it, and I'ma stay after it, I'm gonna fucking master it, put them on blast, kid, they will never last it, don't be so dramatic, not my demographic, this shit is demographic.